So you want to see a guy eat hot peppers?
Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Like Bam Bam, the kid from Bedrock. Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Like Bam Bam, the kid from Bedrock.
Jalapeno eating contest going on at the park. I'm gonna go check that out.
45 seconds, 45 seconds. 37 seconds, 37 seconds. 30 seconds on that.
Don't stop.
19 seconds, 19 seconds.
Don't stop. 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 Don't stop.
3, 1. We have a disqualification. Second place winner decided she'll take her husband home and not worry about the $100. Put your hands together for him. The winner with 52 jalapeno peppers. What'd you think about that? I can do it again. He says he can do it again. I bet.
That was some hot peppers.
Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Like Bam Bam, the kid from Bedrock.
Kiddo, asleep. Girlfriend, asleep. Carnival, in town. Let's go check out that fair.
Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Can I take the stand and slam like Bam Bam? Like Bam Bam, the kid from Bedrock.
You know my name, Robb Nickles, didn't know I was a G. You might know me as a good guy underneath the G I beat. Rolling in, I'm rolling in them like they leave. Ain't nobody that can stop this shit. My light is always green. Never worried about my six, that's why I got a team. And they keep me scalpel weight, oh yeah, sharp as I'll be. My name Robb Nickles, didn't know I was a G. You might know me as a good guy underneath the G I beat. Ain't never flipped no birds cause it was just too hot for me. Kept mine discreet like a boss, and you know why, cause I'm a G.
Cutting through the metro, heading home from the fair. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. This week's free download mix is a mix I did in 1997 for my Scratch Factor series called Scratch Factor 3. Links in the description at the bottom. Any products you guys were asking about in the videos, I got links in the description also in the bottom. The next vlog is a gaming edition, a little Clash Royale. If you subscribed, I'll see you next episode. Thanks for watching.